Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Veg Chowmein Recipe, which is like the all of us, and it's an easy recipe. I hope you will like it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and get latest updates regularly. It is delicious recipe and all the ingredients are written below in the description box. So let's get started. First of all, we need to boil water and add 1 tablespoon salt in the water. When water starts to boil, you can add noodles. Boil it for 3-4 minutes, and after 4 minutes, noodle will be ready. Now it looks like it's ready, and turn off the gas and wash it with cold water. When noodles are cold, add some oil and stir it so that the noodle will not be attached with each other. So it is important to make chowmein. Let it rest and start making the chowmein. Okay, so heat the pan in high flame and add 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. Now we are going to add ginger, garlic, and green chili. It smells really good. We will fry it only for 3 to 4 minutes. It enhances the taste of chowmein. So now we are going to add all the vegetables one by one. Onion. Stir it well and make it golden brown. And we are also going to add some carrot and cabbage as well. After we add all the vegetables, we need to fry them only for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. We don't want to cook vegetable and make it soft. We want to caramelize the vegetable and it needs to be still crunchy. So you need to work on high heat or the vegetables start cooked instead of getting fried. So you need to be very careful in this stage. Fry only 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Now the vegetables are fried and we can add noodles and stir it well. Then we can start adding the ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Similarly, add half tablespoon black pepper powder. You can add salt as per your taste. Also add 1 tablespoon soya sauce and tomato sauce as well. Mix them well and cook it for 2 minutes while stirring it, and it will be ready. Now add some spring onion and the cabbage at last so that it doesn't get overcooked and remains crunchy. Oh, look at this, the delicious veg chowmein is ready. You also can make it at home and enjoy it. Again, you can add some cabbage and spring onion from the top so that it looks more yummy. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.